Sound travels like a relay race runner whose speed depends on the surface it runs on. In steel, the rhythm is fastest, in water slower, and in air slowest. That happens because particle spacing and stiffness let the sound waves push neighboring particles more effectively in solids. Everyday clues appear as a metal shelf rings clearly while a room full of water carries a soft murmur of sound, showing how materials shape our hearing. Understanding this explains echoes, why bells sound different in canyons, and how engineers guide sound where it matters.